I'm gonna be showing you some of my hamsters, so let's go. They're right here. That's one of them. Say hi. Okay, no, you're not gonna buy my hair now. Or this I think I have a black one out here.
Now it's Peppa's
Right there.
turn.
Ah, shit, he bit me. Damn it, I have two mean ones. This one right here, and this one right here. No one is under right there. I have a black one right there. And then I have dogs. Well, only one. The other ones are my uncle's. Husky. Oh shit. Bexy, come on. Mama. This is Bexy, my husky. Like Labrador, and I have two pit bulls in the back. What the hell is going on in there? Like purple lights. That's weird. Okay, that's gonna be all for my pet tour. So hope you guys like it, and see you next time.